K5 Heaven. It's a GT line with the panel sunroof. The projectors, new logo. Probably an EX. Those rims though, gray, love it. Ain't no wolf grays. I see a white over there. New K logo is kind of nice, but I still prefer my K logo. But it actually fits on there really nice. It's another GT line, EX. So they don't got the panel sunroof. They got the big screen TV, or the 10-inch. And they also don't have projectors. But they do have a gem in here. Look at the backs. That's a GT line. This is a GT line back. And that's like a LX back. Same as like the EX and everything. I'm not a fan of it. I don't like it. But it's a Kia. Tell you one thing, they made the screens bigger for everybody. This got an older logo, so that's an EX. And again, I think this looks good. This gray on gray like that. That looks really good. That is nicely done. Now to the gem. There's the gem. Ooh, there's the gem. Look at that GT. What is it, sapphire blue or something like that? That's gorgeous. Now the way to tell the difference, look at the back. The GT is the only one with real mufflers. Forget that little emblem. Plus, the rims change. And they got like brake covers that say GT. This is a 2022 though, it look good. Only thing missing is the projector headlights. Would I switch? Hell yeah. I'll redo all the mods to my car, but I was switching a hop, skip, and a jump. It's just one problem. But look at that interior too. It's like a beige. Beautiful. Now, problem is so as beautiful as she look, she kind of out of my price range, but